Hola!
Hola!
And welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. And today we're in sunny Punta Prima. Oh, in May.
In May 2025, don't forget the date, because people look back on this one day and they'll say, wonder what year that was. Well, it's 2025. And we've made the 7.22, I know that, it's on my watch, 7.22 kilometre trip from our house in Altos del Limina to Punta Prima. We're actually somewhere where we've never been before.
El Capitan. It's a sports centre. I've seen them playing pedal tennis around there. I think the show sports events, and they have a lot of entertainment on.
Yeah, it's first time we've been. It's a brilliant place. We'll show you some clips now, and you'll see what it looks like all around. But it's got two sort of staging areas, one inside, one outside. This outside one's superb. It's got loads and loads of tables and seats. It's got an outside stage, and there's a little bar in the corner. It's got an inside stage, a bit smaller. But obviously great for the old winter, if you can call it winter in Spain, for the cooler nights. So just past the Blue Bridge, you will see this structure, and that's El Capitan, and it's well worth stopping by. It's a bit difficult to park actually, because when you see it, you've gone past it and you can't turn left. So if you do come here, turn left at the roundabout and then pull in there somewhere, go around the back, and you'll come to this bar and restaurant. Well worth a visit, very nice. And we're just having a Coke, aren't we?
We are, yeah. We've had an atún tostada.
Atún.
And a café con leche.
And we met Martin.
We did, we met Martin, yeah.
And there's a little picture of Martin and us just a few minutes ago. And yeah, we were talking to him. He spent some time in the Philippines and he's here now. I think he's here for a week.
From the Netherlands. From
the Netherlands, and he's having a really good time.
It was lovely to meet you.
Yeah. So what we're going to do this afternoon?
We're going to go and have a look at this shop that we've been told about. It's called Action.
Action.
And it's a really big store.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action.
Yeah, so meanwhile, we're just going to have a little Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Diet-free Coca-Cola, I might add, because we're on the bikes today.
Diet-free?
Did I say, what did I say?
You said diet-free.
Well, you know what I mean, don't you? Sugar-free.
If it's diet-free, it means it's full of sugar.
Yeah, full of, I was going to say something else then. But it's very good for you, they tell us. So there we go.
There you go. I've got names on these cans.
Yeah, what's mine?
I've got Alba.
I've got Carla.
Carla.
I don't know what the idea is there. How many different... It must cost a fair old money in printing costs, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it? Anyway, for now, we'll see you later.
Up in the sky where the clouds softly play, I spread my wings and I'm drifting away. Weightless and free, I leave all behind. In this vast blue serenity I find. The sun spills gold on my feathery flight, dancing with the breezes, chasing the light. My heart beats softly to nature's sweet song. In this moment I know I truly belong. Flying high like a bird in the sky, with no cares, just the whisper of the wind nearby. Drifting on dreams where the worries all fade. In this ethereal realm I'm unafraid. The world below is a tapestry bright, me soar, let my spirit take flight, dissolving all doubts, embracing the light. With wings wide open, I'll sing to the stars in this journey of freedom. Forever is ours.
Right, well there across the road is where we've just been, El Capitan.
Instead of Coca-Cola.
Yeah, and right smack across the road is this fantastic shop called Lights, Camera, Action. Actually it's not, it's called Action, without the lights and the camera, but it's called Action.
Yeah, it's a bit like B&M's or Petco. They came to Spain in 2022. They started off as just a little shop in the Netherlands and they've worked their way up, now in 12 countries over Europe. They sell over 6,000 different products.
It's very nice actually, isn't it? I like the layout. You'll see the layout inside. Actually, it's a bit random, isn't it? You've got like birdseed next to claw hammers and stuff like. But apart from that, I mean, you know, the layout's very difficult when you sell such a large variety of different types of products. So I suppose it is difficult. But yeah, I think it's good. It's a nice shop, you know.
Yeah, they sell lots of different things:
yeah.
Toys, homeware, batteries, lights, solar lights, food, tiny pans. Popcorn maker.
Kegs, shirts, vests, socks. I've got my socks, haven't I?
You got some socks.
Got my socks from market.
Well, there's more socks here, look.
Ooh, let's compare the price to what we paid in the market. Right there, we've got some there. We can't. How much is them? £2.49.
Well, it says £1.99 there.
Actually, these are cheaper than the market. Quite decent quality, those.
You'll need some deodorant. Which would you like?
What have we got?
So we've got Nivea for men here.
Nivea for men.
So Fresh Power or Fresh Ocean.
Oh, well, one that makes me smell nice.
Well, I don't know.
Do they both make me smell nice?
Yeah.
Just, I'll leave it to you.
Fresh.
I'll leave it to you. You can decide.
Go for the ocean. Smell like the sea.
Get to sweeties and biscuits.
Want any biscuits?
Biscuits. I do feel quite peckish. Oh, I like them Milka biscuits, these.
Yeah, but they'll just melt, won't they, going on?
Yeah, I suppose.
Which are the best value, do you think? 24 of them or?
Well, they're so cheap.
I'm gonna get
you know what I mean? Yeah, we'll go through them, won't we? Because that queue's massive now. There was nobody there a second ago.
They're open Monday to Saturday, 9 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock at night.
If you're in the area, give it a go, have a look at it. It's in Punta Prima, right opposite El Capitan, and we've told you where that is. It's just past the Ant Bridge on the N332, going out towards La Xenia. Now then.
If you want to know where we went for our meal of the day in Torrevieja, make sure you check out our next episode, which is coming soon.
It's a cracker. And on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Ding! Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where you're adventure grows.